Do you want to know how you can create a new webhook on Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a new webhook on your Wise account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, open any browser and go to Wise. Then hover around your profile as you have logged into it and click on it and go to settings. Then what you need to do is scroll all the way down and find webhooks. You currently don't have any active webhooks, so you can tap on it and click on create a new webhook. Now what you need to do is write down your webhook name, the URL to your webhook, and then you can see the subscribed events. Some of the subscribed events over here are transfer update events, balance deposit events, and transfer issue events. So you can select these and click on create the webhook. So first of all, you must write down all of this. So you must write down HTTPS, write it down over here and complete this. After you do so, go ahead and click create webhook. So if this URL isn't working, you can go ahead and try other URLs as well. Make sure that the URL is correct and it is your personal URL as well. So after you enter all of this, you can easily create a webhook, or if you want to test a webhook, you can do it as well. Make sure the URL is correct, otherwise you cannot create a webhook. So guys, this is how easily you can create a webhook on Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.